In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a navigation menu in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your portal and how to safely remove a menu you no longer need. Deleting a menu can affect what visitors see on your site, so I'll also call out a few helpful reminders along the way to keep everything running smoothly. Start by opening your browser, heading to Google, and typing HubSpot. Press Enter, then click the official HubSpot result to open the website. Sign into your account as you normally would. Make sure you're logging into the correct portal for the site you intend to update, especially if you work across multiple accounts. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the gear icon. That gear opens your account settings. Click it to move into the settings area, where you'll find all the tools that control your website's core configuration. On the left-hand sidebar, locate the section labeled Content. Click Content to expand its options. From there, choose Navigation Menus. This page lists the navigation structures available in your portal and is where you manage, edit, and remove them. At the top of the Navigation Menus page, you'll see a drop-down, often showing something like Default. Click that drop-down to reveal all available menus in your account. This is especially useful if you maintain multiple headers, footers, or regional variations. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one, and consider noting its name so you can reference it later if needed. Next, click the specific navigation menu you want to delete. This opens the Menu Editor view, where you can see its items and settings. In the top right corner of this view, find the More menu. Click More to open the additional actions for this menu. From the options that appear, select Delete. HubSpot will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. Read the message carefully. Deleting a menu removes it from your portal and can impact any templates or pages that rely on it. If you're confident you've selected the right menu, click Delete again to confirm. That's it. The menu is now removed. A quick tip before you wrap up. If this menu was tied to a live header or footer, plan for how that area of your site should behave next. It's a good practice to capture a quick screenshot or note the menu structure beforehand, so you have a reference later. And if you don't see the delete option, you may need the right permissions, so check with your admin. Thanks for watching, and great job cleaning up your HubSpot navigation.